We want to solve this trigonometric equation using calculator. The equation is written in factorized form and the product of both the factors is 0. So the starting point is whenever the product of two numbers is 0, at least one of the numbers is 0. So each factor is equated to 0. Starting with this equation, we make cos x the subject, we get cos x is negative 3/4. We use the cos inverse key of the calculator and we get an angle. You might have noticed that I have not drawn the four quadrants here. Instead I have written an identity, cos theta is equal to cos 360 minus theta. Whenever we are solving equations involving cos x, we just need to use this one identity for solving the equations, irrespective of whether cos x is equal to a negative value or cos x is equal to a positive value, as can be seen from the second equation. When we take cos inverse of a negative value, we will always get an obtuse angle, irrespective of which brand of calculator we are using. Once we get the first value, all we have to do, so our theta in this case is the obtuse angle. So the second answer will be 360 minus the first answer, which will give us the angle of the third quadrant. When cos x is positive and we take cos inverse of a positive value, calculator will give us an acute angle. We again use 360 minus theta to get the angle in the fourth quadrant. This way we can see that solving quadratic equations using cos x is very simple. The final four answers are all rounded to one decimal place. So the answers are 126.9, 233.1, 75.5 and 284.5. As an additional check, if we add the two angles for which cos x is negative, the sum is 360, and if we add the